Dear Mom, was our flag on the beautiful tapestry of our life. One memory stands out like a vibrant thread in my heart. It's the memory of us baking cookies together in the kitchen, surrounded by the sweet aroma that filled our home. I remember the laughter like echoed in those moments, the joy in your eyes as we measured ingredients and mixed dough. The kitchen became a canvas, and our chefs Marius painted it with warmth and love. The taste of those cookies holds not just sweetness, but the essence of the bond that's irreplaceable. And that simple act of baking recreated a memory that forever lives in my heart. Thank you, Mom, for the warmth of that day and for the countless moments we shared. These memories are the threads that weave a beautiful fabric of our relationship, and I hold them close to my heart with immense gratitude, with all my love.